3 years after Kachiko's wedding, Tadaka studied with the Crab clan. At this time, he was still an Acolyte of Earth within the Phoenix clan. He worked closely with the Kuni family, known for studying dark forces. During his studies, the spirit of Oni no Akuma appeared before him. Tadaka recognized the spirit as his ancestor, now corrupted into an Oni. The spirit could not speak, but Tadaka understood its plea for restoration. This discovery drove Tadaka to restore his ancestor's lost name and honor. He extended his stay, neglecting duties and distancing from his clan. Eventually, Isawa Rujo, the Master of Earth, was sent to bring him back. Rujo challenged Tadaka's research and questioned his growing obsession. Tadaka challenged him to a duel with the title of Master of Earth at stake. Tadaka won decisively, replacing Rujo as the new Master of Earth. He then focused his position on restoring his corrupted ancestor, Oni no Akuma.